Hello, hello, hello. Wes Griffith here, Collier RV, Rockford, Illinois. This is the beautiful Wildcat 37 Gallery. Love that front windshield on the front of it. But we're going to walk around and just take a look at it like we're looking at it for the first time. So both propane tanks are on the camping side, so it'll be interesting to see what's on the other side. Lots and lots of storage, so huge pass-through storage up front. That's kind of normal for fifth wheels, but then we got a second door here, so you get a second big pass-through with power and TV outs. Nice felt lined. There's a heat duct in there, so it is heated. Aluminum rims. The nicer composite steps, which I love. Nice big awning. Good graphics on this thing. Walk around the back. You got a space to put a camera in there. Comes with a hitch straight from the factory and a 4-pin. Detachable 50 amp power cord. I can tell this has deeply tinted windows too, which I definitely like. There's the other side of those storage, right? That's the more rearward one. One closer to the front. Heated and enclosed. Lockable water hookups. And even your low point drains are in the heated space. This has a tankless water heater. Let's open this up. Okay, so we got a very convenient battery disconnect, a couple of light switches, and your auto leveling system. Looks like we also have space for 2 batteries. Super nice. You guys saw that side patio Montana is a video that I just made. But here's what I'm most interested in this unit. So we'll walk inside. This is the front of the fifth wheel, right? So it's kind of laid out like a front living. Couches with pull-out beds on either side. Those are tri-fold sofas. Nice big windows. They open too. That's good. And then you have the recliners facing the television. Super cool. But then up here, this is a front kitchen. So huge double door fridge freezer. Lots and lots of counter space. Little dinette there. Gosh, look at all these drawers. Love it. Full-size microwave. Big stainless farmhouse sink. There's that front window. A little bit of storage in the corner there. And then you get a fantastic commanding view of your campsite from the dinette. It's just a massive window. It's hard to put in perspective how big that is on video. I do see that we have 2 air conditioners in this space, so there should be another one in the rear. That will make it a 3 AC unit. We'll walk downstairs. And just inside the door, you get another half bath with some storage, a medicine cabinet, upper cabinets, lower cabinets, some power there. That is set up for a washer and dryer. So super nice. Little medicine cabinet there. Hi! Let's take a walk out here. So this is in the rear of the unit. Big king-size bed. Closet, couple of upper shelves. Lots of space in there. And it does indeed have a third AC back here. Some nice little storage nooks over there. And then you get like a little desk space with a couple of regular drawers and then a larger one. Again, more power. You can never have too many power outlets, at least in my humble opinion. Nice big sink here. Some big storage underneath. Big backlit mirror. Handsome devil in it. There's the control for your tankless water heater. This does have max air fans in it straight from the factory. Oh, look at that. So you get some more little nooks there. Nice big, almost perfectly square shower. Super tall, obviously. This is a fifth wheel. And even this little portal window back here, which is definitely tall enough to keep you hidden when you're in here changing and taking a shower and stuff, opens. Super, super nice. Some nice deep storage there. And then you get 3 more drawers down on the bottom. I'm really liking this thing. Nice big king bed. Wildcat, Forest River. It's going to have 2-inch thick vacuum bonded walls, heated holding tanks. Super, super nice. Let me know what you guys think. Bye-bye.